lot of rain here? No, we're dead. Boy, when the rain comes, take another little ride to the dirt field real quick. Pushing it home. I was out here doing donuts and it just stopped on me, and let me show you what I did. Yeah, I broke the sprocket. I don't know where the bolts went. I have no clue. I was doing donuts everywhere. So, guess it's time to push it home. This is the best. Alright, see you guys later. Okay, update. As you can see, the buggy is apart again. I'm fixing the sprocket. As you saw in the previous video, I broke it off while doing some donuts. I put new bolts in. All 4 new bolts. Lock washers, everything. While the chain was off, I had to remove the chain. I soaked it in some oil to re-grease it, since why it's all shiny. I'm going to check the brake pad while I'm under here, since I have everything off. Also, I've pulled off this to make sure I didn't break a belt. Check it for any cracks. While it's up, I'm probably going to change out the gear oil as well. I broke a bunch of wires under here. I broke the light holder thing up there. It doesn't hold the light anymore. I'm gonna see how I can fix that in there. As you can see, it's a complete mess. So. And the neutral safety switch is going out, so I'm gonna have to look at that and see why that's doing that over there. The brake switch that's under the pedal right there. So yeah, gonna take it down for about a couple days or so. Well, that's the update. Thanks for watching. Okay, so it's back on the ground. I just took it for its first test drive. It's running really good. I put those bolts in. I still got to change the oil and the gear oil. I figured out what's going on with the brakes. Also, it looks like the ball joints are starting to break over on each of these. If you look closely, the wheels are kind of starting to toe out, and I don't know, they're starting to go outwards, inwards, outwards, however you want to describe it. Oh, but I thought some of you guys might get a kick out of this. Hope you guys have a good day.